how to download HD resources in Mobile Legends. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to download HD resources in Mobile Legends, so make sure to stick with me till the end. In order to download the HD resources in Mobile Legends, once you are here within the game, tap on the gear icon, which is the settings icon from the top right hand side. When you tap on that gear icon, towards the left hand side you can see various options. You want to go to the one that says manage resources. Under manage resources, you have three types of resources. The first is the necessary, that is the bare minimum. The second is the advanced resources. The third is the extreme resources that will take up to 6 to 7 gigabytes. The advanced will take up to 2 gigabytes on your storage. So you can go ahead and select all of that, and you can just hit the download button right here, and you should be able to download all these resources right here. And this way you can download HD resources in Mobile Legends. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.